What's going on, guys? So today what we're going to be doing is seafoaming this 2001 Toyota Corolla, and we will be doing it through this hose here, which I believe is the brake booster line. All you want to do is move this clip, which was down here. I moved it up here, and then we're going to be removing the hose, and we're going to be putting seafoam through here. So you do need a funnel that will fit here. Unfortunately, I have one that doesn't, but we're going to make it work, and then we'll get started. Well, the funnel that we have is big. We want a funnel that will fit in the hole here. So we decided to make one, and we don't know if it's going to work, but we're going to give it a try. So once you get your hose out, you can turn on your car and you're pretty much ready to start pouring your seafoam. Now, what we want to do just before you get started, you want to pour about maybe a third of the bottle. You don't want to do the whole half. You want to do a third of the bottle. And then the rest of it, when you're done, you can turn off your car, pour it in your gas, and we'll wait for about 15 minutes. And then we'll turn on the car and see all that smoke come out. There we go. I poured about maybe a 1/3 of the bottle, maybe close to even half. You don't want to pour the whole bottle in there. We'll put everything back. Make sure you put your clip back down here, and then you can close your hood. And then in 15 minutes, we're gonna turn on the car, give it a few revs, just air it out as much as possible. We're gonna also take it for a drive. So we have about half of this left. We're gonna go ahead and pour it in the tank. And that's it. All right, so it's been 15 minutes. It's time to turn on the car. Again, we'll turn it on, keep it on for a little bit, rev it a little bit. After a few minutes, we'll go ahead and take it for a spin to stretch it out and try to clear it as much as possible. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take the car for a spin, and we have to try to. If you can take it on the highway, that's even better because you want to try to stretch it. You wanna drive it for 50, 60 miles per hour. We're not too close to the highway, so we're just gonna take it to the back roads and stretch it out as much as possible. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one.